In a world plagued by division and strife, the messages of abundance and unity found in the Bible are more relevant than ever. Two verses that encapsulate these powerful concepts are Ephesians 3 verse 20 and Romans 14 verse 19. These verses provide guidance on how to tap into the unlimited power available to us and how to foster harmony and peace among individuals and communities. Let us delve deeper into these verses and uncover the transformative wisdom they offer. Unleashing unlimited power, Ephesians 3:20's message of abundance. Ephesians 3 verse 20, often referred to as a declaration of God's power, reminds us of the limitless possibilities that lie within us. The verse states, "Now to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, according to his power that is at work within us." This powerful message implies that we possess an inherent power that can bring forth extraordinary results, surpassing our wildest dreams. When we tap into this abundant power, we can overcome challenges, achieve greatness, and transform our lives. It encourages us to think beyond our limitations and embrace a mindset of abundance. By aligning our thoughts and actions with this divine power, we can unleash the unlimited potential within us, leading to personal growth and fulfillment. Building unity, Romans 14:19's call for harmony and peace. Romans 14 verse 19 presents a pivotal call to action for believers to actively pursue unity, harmony, and peace. The verse states, "So then let us pursue what makes for peace and for mutual upbuilding." This message emphasizes the importance of putting aside differences and embracing understanding, empathy, and cooperation. In a world characterized by division, this verse serves as a powerful reminder of our responsibility to strive for unity. It urges us to prioritize peace over discord, build bridges instead of walls, and foster an environment where all individuals can thrive. By seeking common ground and promoting mutual upbuilding, we can create a world that is more inclusive and harmonious. Ephesians 3 verse 20 and Romans 14 verse 19 offer profound teachings on how to navigate the complexities of life with grace and purpose. These verses encourage us to tap into the abundant power that resides within us and to channel it towards achieving extraordinary results. Additionally, they inspire us to strive for unity, harmony, and peace, reminding us of the transformative impact these qualities can have on our lives and the world around us. In a time where division and discord seem to dominate the headlines, these verses are a beacon of hope and a call to action. By internalizing their messages and applying them in our daily lives, we can unleash our unlimited potential and contribute to a more peaceful and united society. Let us embrace the lessons embedded within these verses and work towards a future where abundance and unity reign supreme.